Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. By the way, my name is Thelma, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload new videos. So in this video guys, ay mag-iron tayo ng slacks. So tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-proper ironing ng slacks. So let's get started. Before we start ironing guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung magplancha kayo, kailangan i-check nyo muna yung temperature at saka yung kinds ng fiber na paplantsahin nyo kasi baka dumikit sa plancha. So kailangan if wool, so mayroon naman ditong adjustment para sa wool and also sa mga linen. So check nyo rin sa linen. So example, magpa-plancha kayo ng linen or silk. So be sure ang uunahin yung plantsahin yung silk muna at saka yung linen later. So i-adjust nyo muna sa silk para yung temperature ng plancha is not too hot. So, pag nagplantsa kayo sa linen, ay sa silk, hindi siya kaagad dumikit. So, example, kapag ang plantsahin nyo muna is yung cotton or mga linen, at saka ang last nyong plantsahin is yung silk, it's possible na didikit yun kasi sobrang init yung temperature ng plancha. So, be sure na silk muna or wool bago ang cotton or linen. And also guys, if you do the ironing, if the clothes or fiber is colored, like for example black and navy blue or khaki, so usually nagmamark ang ironing size, or basta't nagmamarka yung plancha usually pag nagpa-plancha kayo ng colored. So be sure na mayroon kayong white towel na pang cover sa damit or sa pants para hindi siya magmarka. Usually sa dark color lang nangyayari yan, sa black or blue, navy blue, and khaki. So that is the most important guys kasi ayaw nila yung may marka yung mga damit nila. We will start. Before that, we have to inside out yung pants. Okay, so we will insert now to our ironing board.
Ginagawa mo!
Itong pants guys ay walang lines. So we can iron flat. So you just iron the middle, don't iron the side. So I show you how to iron this side. So find this one and this one together. And just iron the middle. So, ganito lang guys pag nag-iron ng slacks na walang lines. But if there is a line, so you have to find this belt holder, and also this side. And also find these lines together. So when you iron, you have to iron first in the middle, and then at last you have to press. So like that only, guys. So I hope you learned something, and if you have any question, please comment down below and I will answer your questions. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something, and if you want to recommend some video that you want me to make, so you can message on my message section. So that's all guys for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.